Look at that.
It is cute.
Hey, beautiful people. It's your girl, J. Nicole. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we are shopping Christmas collections at TJ Maxx. Let's get right into it. So as you can see, starting off, they had a beautiful collection of Santa Clauses. They had all different shades and colors, which I can truly appreciate, and even some that had LED lighting features like this black Santa here. Super cute. And this one was only $59.99. And these Santa men here, they were decked out in the finest robes. Look at this. And look at the sparkle effect that they had coming off of their little accessories that they were holding. Just super glam and super cute. And these were only $19.99, so very, very affordable. And then we have Santa in his rocking chair. He is looking at these Christmas lists, probably thinking, wow, I have a lot of work to do this year. And I love this little wooden rocking chair. It was super good quality, and this piece was $16.99. Such a good deal. And of course, you know that sneaky Grinch had to make an appearance here. This one was an LED lighted yard decor. Super cute, and it was only $34.99. And then you had this little Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer. How adorable is this with the Christmas tree? This figurine was $19.99. I was loving it so much. If you are enjoying this video, please consider leaving me a like and hitting that subscribe button. I bring regular Shop With Me content on a weekly basis, and I would absolutely love to have you join my fam. Thank you. Okay, and here we have these glitz and glam reindeer, which were $12.99. I love the silver sequins. They were super duper glam. I was feeling it, all of it. And look at all of these Christmas trees. I mean, they have you covered. If Christmas tree decor is your thing, they had everything from wooden to sequins to flocked to, I mean, just about anything you can imagine. This one here was one of my favorites. I'm holding it up for you. It was beautiful, kind of like a goldish, silvery sequence, and it was only $14.99. I really, really loved it. Would you guys look at all of these reindeer? Wow, just amazing. You know, they had these two-tone whitewash ones that were super cute, very small for $9.99. And then they also had these kind of like silvery looking ones with the gold antlers and this white beaded kind of ornate looking one for $12.99. Just amazingly gorgeous, super stunning. And then of course you got these really nice glam style ones, and these are my style. These were only $7.99 with the silver and gold sequins. Loved it. I love the selection of Christmas signs that they had. This one here says "'Twas the night before Christmas," and it was only $5.99. Super cute and simple. And then the one below it says "Jingle All the Way." And they just had an assortment, a great assortment of Merry Christmas signs, as you can see here. And I was loving all of them. And this joy stand with the puppy dogs, it really made me smile when I saw it. It was super cute for $14.99, super festive. I loved it. And of course, you can't have Christmas without a gingerbread house. And this one had the LED lighting feature, so I was really digging it. Super cute for $29.99. Snow globes are my absolute favorite Christmas decor. So of course, when I saw this, I had to shake it up and show you guys. It was so cute with the mom and the daughter sitting in the red chair, looking like they're waiting for Christmas. And as you can see here, there was a great assortment of snow globes, and I love them all. Now this Merry Christmas one was also very cute with Santa tipping the top of the Christmas tree and the reindeer at the bottom with the presents. It was so cute. I loved it. And all of the others were cute as well. They just had, I was super impressed just with the amount of snow globes that they had. So then we enter the Christmas pillow section, which was super cool. They had so much to choose from here. Hey, Felicia. So this set here was $39.99, and it said "Let It Snow." It was white and red. And then we had this other Let It Snow pillow, which was really bejeweled and super glam, which I love that style. And this one was $24.99. Thought it was super cute. And they had so many others to choose from. I was like, wow. I mean, I could be in this section all day. Now, this pillow with the cats was super awesome and cute. So if you're a cat lover, you have to snatch this one. And it was pretty affordable. It was only $19.99. And guys, this Black Santa was so cute. I definitely have to go back and get this one. Super festive for $19.99. Absolutely adorable. And then here you have this cookie jar. This was Rudolph the Red-Nosed Reindeer, and I love this little cookie jar for $29.99. I thought it was amazing. And then you have these Nutcracker salt and pepper shakers, which were super cute as well, for only $7.99. I thought these were adorable. Okay guys, so I'm gonna wrap up this part 1 of this shop with me at TJ Maxx. I'll have to do a part 2, but make sure you subscribe and hit the notification bell so you can know when part 2 comes out. Again, I appreciate your support. Thanks for watching. Be blessed. Bye.